Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Corinne and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. Alright, so you guys know I am a huge Colourpop fan. I absolutely love their eyeshadow palettes. I love the formula. And so for Black Friday, it was only normal that I got the mystery box. Yes, all right. So I know I'm a little late with this video, but today we'll be unboxing together the Colourpop Black Friday mystery box. All right. So let's get right into it. All right. So before we get into this unboxing, I do want to mention that I have not looked at any other YouTubers video, any other person's YouTube video unboxing. So I don't know what they got. And the reason why I did that is because I wanted my review to be completely unbiased. All right. So these are my honest thoughts, my honest opinion. I have in total ordered, I think this is my fifth mystery box. Yeah, I believe it's my fifth mystery box. And in all my mystery boxes, I've only had one repeat. And the one repeat came from not the mystery box in itself, but the eyeshadow mystery boxes. Yeah, it's a mystery box where you get, I believe it's about just four eyeshadow palettes. So when I got those four palettes, one of the palettes was, I had already gotten in another mystery box. All right, so let's get into it. So I am opening this box with you guys. You know, I've just showing you I do not know what is in here, okay? All right, so we're gonna go one by one. Okay, I just looked in and already I see a palette that I already own. I have not tried it out as yet, but yeah. All right, so let's get into the other products first, and then we're going to get into the eyeshadow palettes, okay? So first off, we have the Feather Effect Brow Pen. And last month I got, oh, it's right here. Last month I got a color that I couldn't use. I got light brown last month. It's still in the bubble wrap to show you. It's really not my. So this time I got medium brown, you know. Can I get like a dark brown or something? Come on, Colourpop. So this is a medium brown. And of course I can't get it out, you know. Let's see. Let's see if it's doable. Alright. Oh, yeah. That is definitely, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is definitely too light for me. Yeah. Alright, so already one product that I cannot use. Alright, let's continue on. Hopefully we get some other stuff that I can actually use. Alright, so next up is the Party Proof Eye Primer. Okay. Nice. I needed a new eye primer, and this is it. Party Proof Eye Primer. I don't know if you can see, but I can see with the light, the product stops right here. Right, so I get all of this worth of product. Oh, and it's like a wand. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, so this is a consistency. All right. All right, not bad. Not bad. And then you just rub that in there. Okay, not bad. I see you. All right. It is a bit thick though. The consistency is quite thick. And I don't know if you can see that, but you can see straight through it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but it is thick. It is very thick. All right. Next up, is that it? Okay, and everything else, I guess it's okay. Oh, I needed one of these. A facial roller. I needed a roller. Okay. Ah, this is cool. This is cool, and it says Fort Ray. So yeah, definitely this I absolutely love. Yay. All right, so we have one product that I actually love. The primer is a maybe. It is thick, you know. I don't know if that's the consistency it's supposed to be, but I'll definitely give it a try. You know me, I will do an unboxing. I will do unboxing a mystery box for you guys, and then I will definitely come back and create a look using the products in the mystery box. Okay, so next up we have, this is a Super Shock Shadow in the color and the saddle. Oh, this is pretty, y'all. This is pretty. Y'all seeing the glitter? Oh my goodness. It's like gold. Yeah, it's like a pink shadow with gold glitter inside. Oh wow, it comes up like pale with just glitter. That is beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all seen that? Oh my goodness. That is pretty. All right, I can't wait to create a look with this. I'm actually loving this. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. We got a couple more stuff to go through, and so far, yeah, two stuff that I absolutely am digging. All right, so I think that, yeah, there are more stuff. That was like, okay, are there only palettes in here? But the palettes are big, so everything else is being covered. All right, so we have, uh-oh, we have a Luxe lipstick, a Marielle Luxe lipstick, and I already have, I believe, two or three of those lipsticks that I got from my Colourpop mystery box, and this is in the color Gamer Girl. I think I have this one already. I'm not sure. And ooh, this is pretty. I like this. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Just a second. Let me check. Let me see if I have this one already. All right, so I have the shade Digital Twin, and I also have it in the shade Cyber Babe. All right, so I do not own this color as yet, so I have the three Marielle lipsticks. Okay, let's continue on. I'm hoping that I get the velvet lipsticks. I absolutely love those. I love the formula. All right, two more items to go through before we touch the palettes. Okay, so what is this? This is the blotted lips, and this is in the shade Pearl. 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 All right, let's see that. Oh, this is tiny and this is cute. All right, let's put that right here. That is one swipe right here. Let's do another swipe. Just two. This is very muted, like it says blotted lips, and I think that is going to look cute with my complexion. So I can't wait to try that. And then the last product before we move on to the palettes is a light stick. What is this? And the color Molten Hot. All right. Well, ooh, wow, this is cute. It looks like, I believe this is a highlighter. Well, it's giving highlighter shimmer vibes. That is beautiful. It is light, but you can still see the shimmer. This is it right here. Yeah, that is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see it when the light hits it. So I think this will be perfect as a highlighter. I will definitely use this as a highlighter. All right, perfect. All right, now moving on, let's get into the palettes. All right, so first off, what do I see? Lilac You a Lot palette, and I already got this palette, so yeah, I might give this one away. Well, I have to give it away because I already have one, and it makes no sense to keep two, right? And the next, I already own this one also. I guess that is the risk with mystery boxes. You know, you can kind of get stuff that you already have. So that's two items that I already got. So am I getting my money's worth? I don't know. So next up, ooh, I don't have this one. Going Coconuts, you know, and I was eyeing this one. I love nude palettes. I mean, I'm a color girl. I love, love, love colors, but I fell in love with my other, all the colors moved. Not all, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the pans have moved. Can I fix this? Alright, so I tried fixing it. The pans completely shifted. These two pans completely shifted at the bottom, so I tried fixing it. But yeah, these colors, yeah, I can't wait to try something for you guys with this eyeshadow palette, Going Coconuts. That is definitely one of the eyeshadow palettes that I have been eyeing. And there's one more thing in the box, and hopefully it's not something that I already own. Let's see. So last but certainly not least, making sure, yeah, there's nothing else. We have, what is this? The Heavy Petal palette. Yeah, I don't own this one. Let's see, this is pretty. Oh my goodness. One thing's for sure, Colourpop never disappoints when it comes to packaging, okay? Let's see. So we have, ooh, all right, let's open it together. Oh wow. Ooh, wow, this is pretty. This is definitely giving Caribbean island vibes. I see myself rocking this. It's giving sunset. It's giving, oh wow, it's giving all the nice things. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that, just shimmer gold at the bottom here. There are pink and gold shimmers inside of it, glitter inside of it, and then there's this purple feeling grounded with some blue and silver glitter. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, hopefully this is on the website. I do intend on doing a makeup look for you guys using this. Oh my goodness, I think this is probably my favorite item. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite item in this mystery box. All right, so you guys keep a lookout. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share so you can keep up to date and see my review of this palette as well as the other products that are in this mystery box. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I think overall I loved most of the products in here. The eye primer, I'm not sure, it's a bit thick. It's thicker than what I'm used to, so I have to try this out and see what it gives. The brow pen, definitely can't use that. And then I got two eyeshadow palettes that I definitely would have to give away. All right, so yeah, just keep watching. Thank you guys so much for the support and for the love that you guys have been showing me. I really appreciate it, and I thank you guys so much. All right, so leave me a comment in the description bar down below. Let me know how you've been enjoying my content so far. Let me know how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay, let me know what content you would like to see from me next. All right, I have several palettes, several items that I still have to show you. The look that I'm wearing for this video, I will either post it before this one or directly after, just in case um, you'd want to recreate this look. Just for reference, I used the Colourpop Orange You Glad eyeshadow palette to create this look, and I used exactly all 9 shades in this palette to get this eyeshadow look. Okay, thank you guys so much. Until next time, bye bye.